Hello, students. Welcome to the next day of school from home. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Yesterday, we have done questions related to the rule D Mars. Today, we will deal with the use of bracket and its simplification. Use of brackets create another order of operations which is called BODMAS. B stands for brackets off, which means remove the brackets first. O stands for off, which means multiply the number having off between them. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Now you need to know about the types of bracket and their order. There are four types of brackets. Look at your screen. The types of brackets and their symbol is also shown there. So first bracket is vinculum or bar bracket. If there is any bar bracket or vinculum in the question, you need to solve it first. Then second is round bracket or small bracket. After vinculum, if there is round bracket in the question, you have to solve that. Now third is curly bracket or braces, and fourth one and the last is square bracket or box bracket. While removing the brackets, there are few rules you have to follow. First rule is if there is no sign between the number and the bracket, you need to multiply those numbers. Next is if there is plus sign before a bracket, simply remove the bracket. And if there is minus sign before a bracket, the sign within the brackets will change. Fourth one is always remember to solve the number under the bar first. So let us discuss this in detail.
So, moving on to our next topic of simplification, that is BODMAS. In BODMAS, firstly brackets will be solved, then we'll solve the number having off between them. If two numbers is having off between them, we have to multiply these two numbers. Then division, then multiplication, addition and subtraction. So, firstly we will solve brackets. So, there are four types of brackets. First is vinculum or bar bracket. Here is the symbol. So, if there is vinculum in the question, so firstly we will have to solve this. Then round brackets or small brackets. The brackets round in shape is called round brackets. Then curly bracket or also called braces. Here is the curly bracket. Then square bracket or box bracket. This is the symbol of square bracket or box bracket. So this is the preference order. Firstly we have to solve the bar bracket, then round brackets, then curly braces or square brackets. Then so square brackets we will solve at last. So let's solve question number 1, that is 84 minus 4 of, that is round bracket, 32 minus 8 plus 8 multiplied by 2. Here firstly we will solve brackets. So bracket is round bracket here, so we will solve first bracket. 84 minus 4 of, and 32 minus 8 will be 24. So we will write 24 here and plus 8 multiplied by 2. After bracket we will solve off. So 84 minus 4, we'll write multiplication here and copy down the same. Now next we will solve multiplication. 24 multiplied by 4 is 96 plus 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. Then we will solve addition. 84 plus 16 is 100 and minus 96. Then at the last we will solve subtraction. It is 4. So in this way we have to solve these questions. So 4 is our answer. Moving on to our next question. Here, see, here is vinculum. So firstly we will solve vinculum. Next. See, next question, there is bar bracket. So firstly we have to solve bar bracket. So copy down the same. 4 minus 1, that is 3. So firstly we will solve the bar bracket and write 3 here. Next we will solve the round bracket. So 5 minus 3, that is 2. Now after the round bracket we will solve curly bracket. So 16 minus 2, that is 14. after curly brackets we will solve the box bracket or square bracket. So here is 20. Now 78 minus 20, answer will be 58. So in this way we have to solve all the brackets. So next question is 99 divided by 11 plus 12 multiplied by 5 bar bracket of 3. So firstly we will solve this bar bracket and copy down the same. So 12 multiplied by 5 is 60 and we will copy down the same. After brackets we will solve off. So in the place of off we will write multiplication, and now we will multiply these two numbers, that is 99 divided by 11 plus 180. After this we will perform division. 99 divided by 11 is 9 plus 180. So answer is 189. This is our answer.
Today's explanation is over. Today we have studied about the use of the brackets and its simplification. Now you can easily solve questions of exercise 2.6. Exercise 2.6 is available in the form of PDF along with the set of solution at school website. So try to solve these questions. Okay students, bye bye and take care.